Hey everyone, I'm Captain if you're new here. I upload quick and easy hair tutorials every single Friday, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any cool hairstyles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lazy wrap bun. So you know this is going to be a very easy style when there's lazy in the actual name. But this is also a very pretty bun variation that only takes 30 seconds and some hair sticks. So, without further ado, let's head into the video. The first step is to gather all of your hair into a low ponytail, holding it in place with your pointer finger and thumb. Then taking all of your hair and wrapping it over top of your pointer finger and underneath the rest of your fingers. Once you've wrapped it around once, you're going to separate your thumb and pointer finger pointing downwards, and then you're going to continue wrapping your hair over top of your pointer finger and underneath the rest of the fingers until you run out of hair. Once you've tucked in the ends, you're going to take your hair stick or pencil or whatever and then place it through your pointer finger hole. Then take a bit of hair from your scalp and then come out of the hole your thumb has made. And once you've pulled it through, that is it for the lazy wrap bun, one of my favorite easy hairstyles. If there's any other hair tutorials you want me to make, please let me know in the comments. I'll be back next Friday with another easy hair tutorial, and I hope to see you there as well. Bye.